Hello. Presentation on Task 4. My name is Esteban Jimenez, Grow 57. Recommendation when visiting Atacames. Why is your key? I might when visiting Atacames. Studying 114. My last vacation was with my wife and son on the beach of Atacames. We study. Paradise. We meet beautiful beaches on the way. Sun and crystal clear sea. Bedouin Fort. Hotel and the tours. I spent approximately 2 million pesos. The beaches and San Juan was the most beautiful. My family's enjoyed this ride very much, and we hope to return soon. Study 2. 1. 3. 1. You should always bring sunscreen. 2. The clothes you wear must fresh. 3. Food should be taken and in recommended place. 4. At night and the place and 2 days are varied and notice different options. 5. Hydration and very important will you around this area. 6. You must on the carrier and the following on the instructions on the coastward. Sitting waters can become very key. 7. It should be taken into account attending this animal or insects on the sector and the following the cause the emergency to a medical center. 8. When we help children, we must always be careful on their curiosity and genetic accidents. Study 3. 1-4. You must never forget. 1. I should always carry my passport and the documents with me. 2. I should make a reservation and the hotel for my family pay for it. 3. I can't rent an economy car. 4. I must only forget to always have an emergency and contact me things. 5. No, I must only last for warning my flight. 6. I cannot lose unique, open suitcase, and personal intent. Thank you very much. Bye.